Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I've got a strange one for you. I'm going to make deviled egg pasta salad. Now what I'm going to do, you see I've got my eggs already boiled. It's just like making deviled eggs. I'm just going to add pasta to it. So any deviled egg recipe that you love, I think you'll really enjoy this pasta dish. My husband won't eat any pasta, potato salad, anything like that, but he loves deviled eggs. So I'm gonna see if I can get away with this. So I've got 7 hard-boiled eggs, and this is the recipe I use for mine. I have 2 on my channel if you want to check those out or use your own. I use Miracle Whip because my husband likes it sweet. Go Dukes, Hellman's, whatever you like. I've got yellow mustard, some black pepper. I'm going to be using penne pasta. I have sweet relish, some paprika, and about a teaspoon of sugar. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and get this all set up, and like I said, you make it just like deviled eggs. You just add pasta to it and then chop up the whites. So I'm going to cut the eggs in half, get them in the bowl, and then turn everything around. Let's get cooking. I'll be right back. Okay everyone, so what I'm doing here, I'm just splitting the eggs in half like I was going to devil them, and then taking the yellow yolks out. And my little secret I would tell you is definitely do this right away. Do not let these eggs sit for a while, hours. It's much easier to smash them up and get a smooth consistency if you don't want to use a food processor or a grater. A grater would be great. I looked for mine, and I didn't feel like getting it out, plus there's something else to clean. So I'm just going to do my normal traditional method of using a fork. I've already boiled my pasta. It's already set and ready to go. This is a quick fast recipe for barbecues, cookouts, potlucks. Since we've been having a lot of them at work, I've been taking most of my dishes that I know my husband won't eat to work and trying them out on my co-workers, since they now know that I cook. I've been working there 15 years, and for 15 years, you guys, I've been in charge of pot, plates, and silverware. And then once my cooking channel was exposed, because no, I didn't tell anyone I had a cooking channel, they said they wouldn't accept pop and stuff anymore. They would take care of the silverware. So that kind of sucks. So it kind of forces me to cook. So as you see, yes, I'm just taking these and splitting them all in half and just taking the yolks out, because this is the dressing basically for the pasta. And I cooked 3 cups of pasta. So we'll see how that plays out. I didn't really figure how many eggs I would need, but you can always stretch it with more mayonnaise or whatever. So now I've got the last egg in there. So now what I'm going to do is take my fork and smash these up. And like I said, they're much easier to smash if you do this right away while they're still warm. You'll get a smoother consistency. And I always add a little sugar. I'm using sweet relish, so you know it's sweet. Not real sweet, but you know there's some sugar in there when you use sweet relish in something. But this does not taste sweet at all. It just kind of enhances the flavor. And as you see, they mash up pretty nicely. Smash them up really good. So I'm going to add the sugar. I always add the paprika here. Just some paprika and some black pepper. We like black pepper. One thing I forgot is the salt. So I'm going to grab some salt and put some salt. You want salt and pepper and season it every stage of cooking to make sure everything is seasoned. And then I just continue to smash this up and get this really, really smashed. So I'm going to put you guys on pause and get this to the right consistency. Then I'll come back and show you how to add the other ingredients. Okay guys, I've got this already pretty much to consistency that I like. So I'm going to go ahead and put you guys on pause, and I'm going to take this spoon and keep smoothing this out till I get it nice and smooth and creamy, because this is your sauce for your pasta. And if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. I upload a video every week, a couple videos a week with an inspirational quote, and I always tell a controversial joke. So let me put you guys on pause, get this pretty much smashed up, because like I said, I'm smashing it up against the side here with my spoon. to get this just right. Then we'll add the pasta. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, I got it pretty much as smooth as I'd like it. I'm not gonna go any further, but like I said, you can do this or definitely use the grater. So I'm gonna add a little bit of pasta at a time just to make sure. I've got 3 cups of pasta here, and that was 7 egg yolks with mayonnaise and, well, Miracle Whip, I keep saying mayonnaise, and relish, and a little bit of sugar. Yeah, I can take some more. Just dump it all in there. And remember, you can always make more deviled egg, boil some more eggs if your ratio is off. And then you just mix this together. And it should, I mean, like I said, this should pass my husband's taste test because it's nothing but deviled eggs with some pasta in there. I mean, really? So I'm just gonna cut these eggs up and the whites and just put them in there. It's as simple as that. Deviled egg pasta salad. So if somebody likes deviled eggs, I don't see how they cannot like this. So I'll have to definitely leave a remark in the comments about my husband. He doesn't like mayo or Miracle Whip. So if he sees it on anything, he won't eat it. But he'll eat a deviled egg and he'll eat tuna fish, full knowing that it has mayonnaise or Miracle Whip in it. But you know, like most people, we eat first with our eyes. So he is not into white sauces like that. Mayo and mayonnaise and stuff like that. But he loves eggs. And I didn't start eating hard-boiled eggs till a few years ago. We've been married for 30 years. I would not eat a hard-boiled egg to save my life. When they came in the Easter basket when I was a child, I chucked those. But to each his own. He said he and his siblings would fight over, you know, the eggs, because it was never enough. So you see how simple that was? Got that all, the eggs put in. And then you just mix it together. And what you got is deviled eggs with pasta added to it. So I'm gonna call this deviled egg pasta salad. Very simple, very easy. Looks pretty good. Should work for a barbecue or a cookout or a potluck. So I'm gonna get this all mixed together and get everything set up so I can take some pictures and tell you guys my joke. And thanks for watching. And like I said, if you like this, please like, subscribe, and share. And definitely keep checking back. So I'm gonna have some more giveaways. I gave away a Coach bag on the first one. And the second one, they're just gonna get better and better. So I'm gonna put you on pause, get this in a better bowl, and get ready to tell you my joke. Okay everyone, there you have it. I shook some, put a little paprika on top and a little piece of parsley. Normally I would cut up some chives and put on this, which would be delicious, but my husband wouldn't touch it, so I can snatch that parsley off. He doesn't like anything green. So let me tell you my joke. Little Red Riding Hood is skipping through the woods, heading to Grandma's house. Suddenly, out of nowhere, the big bad wolf jumps out. He says, "Little Red Riding Hood, I'm going to eat you." Little Red Riding Hood exclaims, "Eat, eat, eat. Does anyone screw anymore?" That's it. It was a quick one. I know. Sick. But anyway, thanks for watching. God bless. Please come back for the next one and subscribe if you enjoyed these videos. God bless and have a good evening.